Hey folks, Dr. Dennis here, the Wellness Doc, bringing you everything healthy for your mind, your body, and your soul. Happy Wednesday to you. We're halfway through the week. Let's keep going. Hey, I wanted to change things up a little bit today and really just do something fun, silly, and entertaining. Hopefully you'll either have a smile or make you laugh a little bit. So I'm going to get my cousin Paulie to come over here, and he's going to discuss his 4-ingredient, deliciously incredible pizza. All right, hold on one second. I'll go get him. Hey, everybody, how's everybody doing over there in YouTube land? All right, I'm pretty good too. All right, let's get right to it. This is so easy. You know, a baby can do this. I don't know if that's true, but anyway, let's go. Number one, we got the gold, baby. We got Whole Foods Market 365 Mediterranean blend extra virgin olive oil. Number one. Number two, we got Trader Joe's garlic naan Indian bread. Hey folks, this is halfway through the pizza because they're already triangles. Alright, number three. We got Trader Joe's fresh mozzarella cheese. Alright? Mozzarella. The moots. You gotta have that. Alright? And then fourth, we got Whole Foods Market 365 organic herb pasta sauce. You know, the gravy. Good stuff. All right, we got 4 things. Got it? You get the pan. You warm up the pan for a few minutes. You throw the olive oil in there, the liquid gold. Keep that for a few minutes at a medium heat. You take the bread, right? The delicious garlic naan bread. You put it in a pan. Hey, about 3-4 minutes on each side. You get a nice brown and crisp, all right? And then you put the flat side down on the pan, and then you put your nice sauce. And you put as much as you want, just like that. You can use your hand, you could use a spoon, whatever you feel like, all right? And then you take the fresh mozz, and you know what you do? Something really hard. No, not at all. You rip it apart. Because my highly educated, experience in this is when you rip it up, it melts better, all right? Sound good? And then once you have it on there, you go another 3-4 minutes. That's it. You're done. Now, here's my suggestion. You take it off the pan, you put it in your plate, let it cool down for about 2 minutes. Because I don't know about you, but for me, I don't like getting burned in the mouth and the tongue, We've all had that happen a few thousand times in our life. We don't need to add to it. All right? 2-3 minutes, you let it cool, you're good to go. Sometimes I sprinkle a little Parm cheese on it, throw a little dried oregano, you know what I mean? That's up to you. Hey, I hope that you enjoyed this freaking video, all right? And, Dr. Dennis is pretty cool. So, we're going to have some fun with upcoming videos, to help everybody out there. All right, God bless. I'm going to go because I got to go pump some more iron, all right? And I got to get my protein shake. And give me a minute. I'll go get Dr. Dennis, all right? Take care. All right, everybody, I'm back. He's quite a character, huh? Hey, that was the goal today, and like we said, I hope it made you laugh or smile. So this is Dr. Dennis, always here to provide hope, encouragement, support, and specialized education, and in this case, to provide some humor. So I hope that everybody is enjoying their Wednesday and having a good week. And here's the bottom line, right? If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little ding-a-ling-a-ling bell for upcoming videos, an alert. And please leave a comment. And maybe some of you out there have some other funny ideas that we can do a really quick, funny video like this. All right, God bless. Take care. Have a good rest of your Wednesday. All right, take care.